Here we have a 1977 Suzuki GT750 B, UK from new, numbers correct bike, that's just been rebuilt, including handlebar switches, clocks, absolutely everything. All looking good. Under the tank, under the seat. All lovely. I normally do a before video and then this after video, but I forgot to do the before video, so it's a shame really, because this bike was a real mixture. It had a 3-inch higher front end on, different swinging arm, different shocks which raised the whole thing up. Obviously 3 inches front and rear. There was some weird wire locking going on, which actually, obviously when you wire lock something you're supposed to hold it tight. On this one it was pulling it slack, which is a bit weird, but hey. As you can hear, very, very healthy now. I've ridden it a total of 11 miles up to now, so the engine's very, very, very tight. You can hear how quickly the revs come down, but again, ticking over 1,000 revs. Please like and subscribe, because there'll be lots more coming.